Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told a service station sells gasoline for $3.25 per gallon and diesel fuel for $3 per gallon. On Monday, the service station's revenue from selling a total of 131 gallons of gasoline and diesel fuel was $404.25. We're asked how many gallons of diesel fuel did the service station sell on Monday. So, we are selling gasoline, so let's say let the gallons of gasoline, the number of gallons of gasoline, be equal to G, and the number of gallons of diesel be equal to D. So if we're selling a total of 131 gallons between them, G plus D equals 131. Now, we're told that this was sold for $404.25. How do we get to that number? That's going to be the total revenue from the gasoline plus the revenue from the diesel. How do we calculate the revenue from the gasoline? Well, if we're selling G gallons at $3.25 each, the total amount will be 3.25 times G. Right? If it was $5 per gallon and you sold 10 gallons, that'd be $50 total, right? You have to multiply them together. Same thing, $3 per gallon for D gallons is plus 3D. Now we have two variables, and we can solve the system of equations. So we're asked how many gallons of diesel fuel did the service sell on Monday? So we want to solve for D. So if we use elimination, we're going to want to eliminate G. So if we multiply this equation by 3.25, we have 3.25G plus 3.25D is equal to 3.25 times 131, which is 425.75. And now, using elimination, we can subtract these. 3.25G minus 3.25G is 0. 3D minus 3.25D is negative 0.25D. This is equal to 404.25 minus 425.75, which is negative 21.35. Now, it's just 21.5. And when we divide both of these sides by negative 0.25, what that does is these cancel, and left with D is equal to negative 21.5 divided by negative 0.25. Plug that into your calculator and you get 86. So D, the number of gallons of diesel that the service station sold, was 86, and therefore D is your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.